And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's DNC Beauty or Danae. Today, nothing too serious. I just wanted to do a getting unready with me video. So I decided to do a getting unready with me video. I'm gonna be cleaning my dirty ass depression room, me taking my makeup off, washing my face, having a little chat, just like winding down and getting ready for the day like a girl would do. Yes, my girl Bridget is playing in the background. Here comes the rain. I don't own no copyright. Yeah, I'm just about to do a little cute time lapse of me cleaning my room. Y'all gonna see that, and then we gonna get into this face, and then the rest is history. The room is dirty. I'm being realistic. I'm not always perfect. Sometimes I'm messy, girl. Seasonal depression is kicking in, so I don't want to hear nothing. So I finished the main part. I kind of made the bed. I'm not really gonna make it because I'm gonna go to sleep in a couple hours anyway. It took me about an hour or so to finish. I just have to vacuum now. Yeah, and take this dish down. One dish, that's pretty good. And I'm gonna take the trash down, but I'm not gonna take the trash out because I'm gonna take the trash out when I go outside to you know. But yeah, I'm just about to vacuum. I'm gonna show y'all that. After I take the trash down and the glass down, and then I'm gonna show y'all my face routine, and then that's pretty much gonna be it. That was aesthetic. We're gonna do the best that we can because I don't live in an aesthetic house, but I literally don't know where to put y'all. That's the best we're gonna get, but I don't really have much to say. This was just like a relatable get your life together, get up girl, you can do it video, because I start a new job tomorrow and I'm just trying to like before I start, get my week off good, you know. I'm taking this makeup shampoo and putting it all over my face to take my makeup off because I don't have no makeup wipes. And yeah, I'm just gonna, it's just gonna be something kind of therapeutic, y'all, I guess. I don't got nothing to say. makeup is off. I'm finna go change, and then I'm gonna edit this video actually, and I'm gonna cut back to y'all when I'm changed and I'm about to edit. Back in bed, moisturized, looking like a moisturized baby. I'm actually gonna edit this video like I said. I'm gonna get back with y'all and end off this video when I'm rolling up, because I feel like I'm gonna have something to say when I'm rolling up. I always have something to say when I'm rolling up. Speckle, just a tiny little speckle of pollen gets into your air canal and you're done for. You don't need to fight nobody. Let's go sniff a flower. And you're done. One little taste, one little taste of a banana, and you're done for. You're done for. You're done for. You can't even like breathe.
Okay, shut up, bro. Shut up, bro.
It's so cold. I got a sweatshirt on and I got a robe and then I got a coat on top of that. And I'm in my car now. I don't know if I got nothing to say, y'all, because I don't function well in the cold. Oh my God. I just want to smoke. Y'all can't even see me. I don't function right in the cold. But I don't know. I guess all I could say is I'm learning I know my self-worth, but I'm learning like more self-love and like putting myself first and being more selfish with myself and stuff like that, because I just care about people more than I care about myself sometimes. So yeah, that's one thing I'm working on getting closer with my relationship with God, which means working on cursing, working on being more reliable, working on being more loving, working on being more anything I can do to be more like Christ. And I'm just, like I said, starting a second job. I'm trying to get an apartment next year. Like, it's time to be a big girl. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all tune in for the next one. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you don't like and subscribe, then your mama's a piece of... I'm just kidding. I would never call nobody's mom and dad. But you better subscribe, just in case. Bye.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna